Hi there, Vinicius Brazil with the Brazil Group, Keller Williams, and welcome to 2366 Warburton Avenue in beautiful Scott Lane's Garden, Santa Clara. This wonderfully updated 3-bedroom, 1-bath home is situated on a beautiful tree-lined street. The home features 3 well-proportioned bedrooms with sliding door closets. A large open living space with electric fireplace, and above the mantel it's already pre-wired for a wall-mounted TV. The spacious dining room overlooks the living space and is connected to your bright kitchen with both ample counter space and lots of cabinetry to store your kitchen devices. In addition to this bright living space, there's a large atrium-style sunroom. As a bonus, the property features a detached living space or den. The den is approximately 300 square feet, featuring vaulted ceilings, a gas stove for heating, and a room air conditioner. It's an ideal for a game room, separate office, or even a potential ADU conversion. The lush backyard features a large lawn area, stamped concrete patio, flagstone walkways, and all watered by your automatic sprinkler system. Additional features include a spacious 2-car garage with automatic opener, central heating and cooling, dual pane windows, and LED recessed lighting. For more information about the Santa Clara real estate market or any of our upcoming listings, give me a call at 408-582-3272 or email us at info@thebrazilgroup.com. We'll look forward to seeing you, and thanks again for watching.